Exfoliants are skincare products or ingredients designed to remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, promoting a smoother, brighter complexion. They are essential for maintaining healthy skin, as dead skin buildup can clog pores, lead to breakouts, and dull the skin's natural glow. Exfoliation helps to improve skin texture, stimulate cell renewal, and enhance the effectiveness of other skincare products by allowing better absorption. Exfoliants are typically divided into two main categories: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliants contain small, gritty particles or tools, like scrubs, brushes, or sponges, that manually slew off dead skin when rubbed against the surface. While they can give an instant smooth feel, harsh physical exfoliants can cause micro-tears or irritation, especially for sensitive or acne-prone skin. Therefore, it's best to use gentle options with fine particles and apply minimal pressure. Chemical exfoliants, on the other hand, use active ingredients to dissolve dead skin cells without the need for scrubbing. These are usually categorized into AHAs, alpha-hydroxy acids, BHAs, beta-hydroxy acids, and PHAs, polyhydroxy acids. AHAs, like glycolic and lactic acid, are water-soluble and great for improving skin tone and texture. BHAs, like salicylic acid, are oil-soluble and penetrate deeper into pores, making them ideal for acne-prone or oily skin. PHAs are similar to AHAs but have larger molecules, making them more gentle and suitable for sensitive skin. Using exfoliants correctly is key to achieving benefits without damaging the skin. Overexfoliation can lead to redness, dryness, and increased sensitivity, so it's important to start slowly, typically once or twice a week, and follow with hydration and sunscreen. When used properly, exfoliants can reveal brighter, healthier skin and help